Welcome, in front of me is a Microsoft Surface Go 2, and today I will show you how to hard reset this device, factory reset it back to the default settings. And yeah, let's get straight to it. Now this will be done through settings, and this obviously removes all your data from the computer, so if there's anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll just lose it. But assuming you have already made a backup copy of it, or you just simply don't want to, let's get started by navigating to the settings. So right over here, we'll try to use the touch as much as I can, but as you will see, the touch just kind of doesn't really work. So yeah, let's go to settings, and here I'm going to select update and security, and then select recovery, and then here we have two different options. So we have reset this PC and restart. Now, what? See, set up from a. Okay, so we're getting this option right here. Reset this to PC, get started. Now we have a couple options. We have keep files or remove everything. Obviously, this is up to you, but if you're planning to do a clean reset of the device, then you will want to go with the remove everything. This probably would be for people that, as an example, want to sell the computer or just get rid of everything that is on it. So that's what I'm going to be sticking with. And then we have additional settings. We have remove apps and files, not clean the drive. I think this is what we already chose anyway. Yeah, so I'm going to select next. That screen just didn't want to cooperate. Ready to restart this PC. As you can see, it gives us info of everything that it will do. Remove the personal files, remove all change made to settings, apps and programs, and so on. So yeah, let's select restart. Now this will begin right now. It will be partially done on the right now when you can actually still use Windows, and then after it's finished right here, it will restart the device, and it will continue whatever it's going to be doing on this Windows logo with progress bar. And additionally, this will take about 40 minutes, so be prepared to not be able to use your computer for about 40 minutes. I'm gonna let it run through. I'm probably gonna cut the video in a moment once it's actually showing the progress, and I'm gonna stop the recording and then come back once it's close to, well, almost finished, just because honestly it's 40 minutes of literally nothing. So yeah.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay, and as you can see, after about 30 or 40 minutes, this is completely finished, and you can now set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.